Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today, I'm at Tasty Trade because I can. Okay, so I've been in trouble in a little bit of margin issue uh, over the last month or two. Go back and watch my other videos, alright? But recently, DocuShare has popped and I sold the call. The call got called off and I'm back in the positive. So this is good. So I can get back to why I originally started this account, which is basic options trading. Now, what I really like about Tasty Trade is these guys are super smart, like Sosnoff, super smart guy. All these guys are brilliant. Know a lot about options, a lot more than I do. So I'm just trying to follow their lead. But they did get me into trouble. So, not really super sure about it. But I eventually got out. So that's good. Made a profit. Go watch my other videos. So today, I've always wanted to get into space, okay? That's a really cool place to be. And it looks like there's a trade on. It's pretty profitable. $2.60. It is way out in August, which I don't like to go out that far, but it's okay. So I'm going to replicate this trade. It's a bit of a spread, but it's a put spread, and I like put spreads. You know me. And it's after earnings. So, interesting choice of where to do this. I'm not sure why it's so far out. I would go back here on the monthly. Alright? And he's doing 20 and 30. If you did that here, you'd put a put at 20, buy the 20, which is 21 cents, 17 cents, sell the 30. So, yeah, he's making more money on it. Agreed. So I'm just going to modify this slightly. Whether this is a good idea or not, no idea. Probably not. But it's my trade. I'll do what I want. I'm just going to erase this whole thing. This is an easy way to clear the trade. Yes, clear. Okay, so I'm going to go back to this, the monthly, in July. And what I'm going to do, you see here, I'm going to go near the money. I'm going to go 370, and I'm going to put a spread in, except I'm going to go down to, let's go down to, let's see, where's my cost value proposition? Where does it make sense? 28 cents, 21 cents, 18 cents. I think it's right about here, 21. So that gives me a nice little spread, gives me some good profit, gives me about $1,000 in exposure, except I'm already in the money. So I'm going to crank this down a bit to 34. Alright, give me a probability profit 50%. Okay, I want to crank it back up, see what happens. Alright, let's look at my probability profit. Pop 58%. Pop 50 is 70%. Perfect. I like it. I'm okay with that. Alright guys, here we go. Haven't always had the best luck with filling trades here at Tasty Trade. Look at that. It's already jacked up. Alright, so I'm going to have to take this down to, I want to take it down to 355. Alright, let's see if that fills. And it looks like that filled. Very nice, at 355. So now I'm a proud owner of a put spread. Nice. Okay. Well, let's see what the stock does over the next month. Be sure you subscribe, see how this turns out, and see how to handle these options if they go bad. Like these, and these, and these. Chewy, DocuSign, which I just got rid of. Alright guys, like I said, be sure to subscribe and like this video. And check out my channel for wealth building techniques and the options trades. and of course crypto. Alright guys, thanks for watching.